We're not alone. We are not alone in this universe, and it is a simple fact. And the U.S. government has been aware of that fact now for decades. The United States has been involved in the recovery of objects, vehicles of unknown origin that are neither from our country or any other foreign country that we're aware of. We as a nation have been interested in not only the vehicles themselves, but the occupants of these vehicles, to include biological specimens.
UFO in the sky last night.
What the fuck? Maybe it's like a bunch of planes. They're like,
No, it's not a bunch of planes. That's not, they did not fly that close. They're about to go out.
what the fuck?
What is it?
I don't know.
What in the fuck is going on here? No. Why can't I get to my video here? There we go. What is
It doesn't want to show on my phone anymore. I know, either am I.
Oh, I see a UFO in the cloud right there. I see it right there in the clouds.
It's an UFO?
A UFO right there. Bro, that ain't no airplane, man.
That's a UFO?
Yeah, that's a real UFO.
Oh, that's a UFO!
Good job, son. You seen that. It's hiding in the cloud. Look at that, man. That's a UFO, bro. Bro, look at that. Bro, that's a UFO. It's hiding in the clouds.
That's a UFO?
Yeah.
That's a UFO?
You sure said that, but I'm glad you called me. Look at that thing, bro. It's hiding in the clouds.
Is that my flying thing?
Bro, that's a UFO.
Is that my flying thing, Mom?
That's a UFO. Come
Now
look.
I can, understand more of the importance of not having propane tanks because we can see, So I mean, like, I
Frank, what in the motherfucker is that, Frank?
What the fuck is that?
Oh shit.
What the fuck is that?
Frank. Frank.
Record it.
Frank.
What
Frank.
the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that, Frank? We're in San Antonio, Texas, and some shit's over us.
So you send out signals for the aliens to come, and now that they're on the way, everybody is in a panic. We literally sent sounds, music, stuff like that into outer space. And then didn't people start getting these orbs and stuff on ring lights that started singing the same thing, repeating the same songs and stuff? What did we send? Reading Rainbow. You remember? The Reading Rainbow, and they came back and started singing Reading Rainbow. That was the creepiest thing I ever seen. Somebody saw it outside their actually like their door camera. Also seeing people seeing lights. Some person went outside and saw lights, like eyes, all in their all behind like their house, lights and stuff behind their house. And now we're seeing people are saying they're seeing spaceships and alien spaceships. Maybe they're already here. They said that some, or maybe a few of them are here, like the little ones that are already here. I feel like there are aliens that are already here, and they're waiting for the mothership. Like they're chilling, waiting. Like they've been scouting, kidnapping, doing everything, learning us, infiltrating, and now here comes the queen. But I already knew. I knew they was coming. And then another thing too is if the aliens come here, that means that we are alive. That means that Mother Earth is alive. That's what that means. If we, like right now, the Earth is just the Earth, right? And we're living organisms on it. But once we communicated with another species or another whatever it is out there, that means the Earth is living, is a living organism, all in one. Like we are a part of the ground. We are a part of the tree. We are part of everything. That's how aliens gonna look at it. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope you are so excited. I've never seen an alien. I've never met an alien before that I know of. So I'm kind of interested to see what they look like, what they're going to do, or are they going to take us over and turn us all into slaves, you know? Or are they going to do us like, what is it, the hand? What is that called? The invisible hand? Are we going to be like the invisible hand? If you don't know what that is, Google it, the invisible hand. But, somebody said that it was like the world isn't going to end, just the world as we know it will end.
If you ever seen the movie Don't Look Up, this is like Don't Look Up. And especially with my imagination and the things that are going on with the second moon that we're getting. Bro, check this out. James Webb Telescope found an object that is heading towards Earth. And this object just course corrected itself to head directly towards Earth, right? And this is in the time that we have a second moon that's going to be here on September 29th. But they don't know exactly where this object is coming from, but it's the size of a small city. Bro, you can look it up in the search insights. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Anyways, this thing, they're saying that the same people that found this thing are looking beyond this thing, and they think they found life on a planet. So this thing is coming from a place that has life. Bro, I can't even. So it's coming towards I can't even. This is here from the search insights on TikTok. The James Webb Space Telescope has made a significant discovery, reportedly detecting a massive object described as being the size of a city traveling towards Earth. This finding prompted a secret emergency briefings with key congressional leaders. While the exact time frame for its arrival remains unknown, the urgency of the situation has led to a closed-doors discussions on how to handle potential implications of this discovery. The details of the object and the next steps is addressing this situation remains classified, sparking widespread speculation on the nature of the incoming object. To this, there have been rumors and discussions suggesting that the object spotted by the James Webb Space Telescope is not natural, further fueling speculation and concern about what it could be and its potential impact on Earth. Read further, you can see the search insight. So this is how my imagination works, right? This is how my imagination works, and this is for entertainment purposes only, right? So they have seemed to found a planet that has life on it. And from this planet, there's an object the size of a city that's headed towards Earth that course corrected itself to head towards Earth, right? At the same time, in about 4 days, we're going to have a second moon orbiting our planet for 57 days, which is 2 full moon phases plus a day. Then this object is gonna leave and come back in a couple years. Meanwhile, we have this object the size of a city headed towards Earth. I believe that those objects may be connected. Why not? Those objects can be connected. That's like a little Voyager they sent out, you know? You know, like, that's like a little drone that they sent out to survey the area or whatever. This is just speculation, allegations. Listen, man, space talk and...
If the rumors of an object heading towards Earth were true, it would look similar to this. But if it is traveling at near the speed of light, it would likely appear as a comet, faintly illuminated by distant starlight. Its surface might be dark and irregular, with a faint glow or particle trail, surrounding it due to its immense speed. The object would have a shadowy, almost ominous presence against the backdrop of stars and galaxies.
Science has made the distance between all of us and the cosmos just a little bit shorter, with perhaps one of the greatest scientific achievements.
The James Webb Space Telescope has just achieved a historic milestone by capturing the first ever real and authentic image of Oumuamua. Although this enigmatic interstellar object was first discovered by scientists in 2017, there were a lot of doubts about whether the picture obtained as at that time was enough to tell us everything we ought to know about this strange visitor. But now, a significant breakthrough has offered new insights with an exclusive image captured by JWST. How relevant is this discovery to scientists, and what new details does it reveal? Join us as we look into the terrifying objects in space that the James Webb Telescope revealed. Oumuamua is discovered. Oumuamua is the first confirmed object from another star to visit our solar system. This interstellar visitor looks like a rocky, cigar-shaped object with a reddish tint. The discoverers named it Oumuamua, which means a messenger from afar arriving first in Hawaiian. Oumuamua is up to 1/4 mile, 400 meters, long and very elongated, about 10 times longer than it is wide. This aspect ratio is greater than any asteroid or comet observed in our solar system so far. While its stretched-out shape is surprising and different from objects in our solar system, it could offer new insights into how other solar systems formed. The observations suggest that this unusual object has been drifting through the Milky Way, not bound to any star system, for hundreds of millions of years before its unexpected encounter with our solar system. But how exactly was Oumuamua found? Stay tuned, because the most shocking part is yet to come. On October 19, 2017, a strange object named Oumuamua was detected speeding through our solar system. This asteroid had been traveling for over a century before it was finally identified. It reached a significant cosmic milestone in 1837, but astronomers missed it. Oumuamua would continue its journey through our solar system for several decades at a steady speed, and astronomers and telescopes failed to detect it. It wasn't until 2017 that Robert Werrick, a scientist at the University of Hawaii, noticed a faint, elongated streak in the sky captured by the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope, revealing a fast-moving object unlike any seen before. Initially, scientists thought Oumuamua was a comet because of its unusual behavior, but they later identified it as an asteroid, a small, rocky object usually found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. However, further observations showed that Oumuamua was moving away from the Sun at an unusual rate, deepening the mystery. The lack of visible outgassing, which typically occurs in comets, puzzled scientists as the object accelerated in a way that defied predictions, leading them to question whether it was truly an asteroid or comet. One of the most remarkable features of Oumuamua was its consistent brightening and dimming every 7.3 hours, indicating that it was tumbling and most likely spinning around its shorter axis. Such speed suggested that Oumuamua was a solid object with a stronger and more durable composition than most comets, which are typically loose and fragile. Its dark red color, similar to that of moons in the outer solar system, showed that it had been exposed to cosmic radiation for millions of years, altering its surface. As experts analyzed the data, suspicions about the true nature of Oumuamua began to surface. Some speculated that it might be an advanced extraterrestrial probe or a defunct alien spacecraft, while others considered more likely possibilities.
Information about Congress, people in Congress being briefed about James Webb. People are being told that they spotted an object that is not natural because it course corrected, that is allegedly approaching here.
Been some significant rumors of events regarding UAP that may occur within, like 10 years or so. I don't know if it's something coming or a natural disaster. You hear of something big coming down the pike. Have you heard of these claims? And if so, do you have any idea what it may be?
Yes, I've heard of them. Yes, I'm aware of it, and I'm not able to have that conversation.
Let me see if I understand this correctly. There may be something headed for Earth. A non-human object, potentially? Is that the theory? Again, this is all allegedly, but we're, spitballing.
That's what I was told, that they're telling people in Congress.
So the James Webb Telescope recently discovered an object that is course correcting, headed towards our galaxy. So what that means is it's not space debris, it's not like a meteor, because when it's like a meteor or space debris, our mathematicians do the calculations to figure out where it's going to go. This object or group of objects, we don't know like what it is, but it's changing its course, and they just debriefed Congress on this. So for those of you who don't know, the James Webb Telescope is the largest and best telescope we have in our world, and it pretty much can see galaxies far, far away. And what it's saying is there's a lot out there that we didn't know about. Now, the crazy thing is this could take years to get here still, because again, you got to travel light years in space. So it could take a few years still to get here. But the fact that they've already briefed Congress on this lets you know that they're taking it serious, because they're like, okay, this is not just something, this isn't like a large asteroid or something like that. This is something that has its course planned to come to our planet, or at least our galaxy, to see what's out there. You know what I'm saying? We know aliens exist. We know aliens have been here, but we've never seen something this big headed towards our planet. And that's what I think really has a lot of people, like, at least the fact that they have to tell Congress about it, and the fact they're not going to tell us nothing, but the fact they have to brief Congress on this lets you know this is more serious than what people are letting on.
The James Webb Telescope. Have you heard the news about what the James Webb Telescope has found? Now, of all my TikToks, I urge you to watch this one to the end, because this one's massive, guys. So, the James Webb Telescope has found a planet. Now, there's strong evidence to suggest that this planet contains life. They believe there is life on this planet. But that isn't the crazy part. The crazy part is the James Webb Telescope has also found a massive object. Now, this massive object has changed its course, changed its direction, and it is now heading towards Earth. Yeah, that's right. It's heading towards Earth. Now, this thing can't be natural for it to change its direction to head towards Earth. Now, they must be worried about this news for it to get leaked, for us to even find out about it. It's real, guys. Look it up. It also led to classified meetings with certain world leaders. So they definitely see this as some kind of threat, and they are looking into it. Now, what the hell is this thing heading towards Earth? What have we got coming towards us? Is this thing connected to the second moon that we're getting? I believe it might be. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. And remember to like, share, and follow.